बे खेबाव हामास आरो इजराइलाव नङा हादराव बेरदों गिख्रंथाव बम नंगौ इजराइल आरो हामासनि गेजेराव गिख्रंथाव दावहा सोलिबाय थानाय समावनो केरेलायाव बेरदों गिख्रंथाव बम केरेलानि गंसे गेदेर क्रिस्टियान कन्वेन्शन सेन्टाराव खेबसेनो थरबा गिख्रंथाव बम बेरदों इसोरखौ आरज गाबबाय थानाय समावनो मिथिस्लाब मोनै गिख्रंथाव बमफोरा बेरदों केरेलायाव उन्दै उन्दै गथ'साफोरजों लोगोसे गोबां सुबुंफ्रा अर खामजानानै गोब्राब जोखोम नाथाय बे बमखौ सोर होखो माबोरै बेरहोखो आरो मा जाहोनाव दासिम बेनि जेबो रोखा खौरां गैया बे गिख्रंथाव जाथायजों दासिमाव सासे आइजोनि जिउ खहा आरो 40 सासे सुबुंफोरखौ गोब्राब जोखोम जानायनि खौरां मोननाय जादों सुलुंनि बादिब्ला दिनै फुंनि समाव केरेलानि कालामासारियाव थानाय गंसे गेदेर ख्रिस्टान कन्वेन्शन सेन्टाराव बे गिख्रंथाव जाथाया जायो पुलिसनि रिपर्ट बादिब्ला दिनै फुंनि 9 बाजिसोआव बे गिख्रंथाव बम बेरनायनि खौरांखौ मोनो आरो खौरां मोननाय लोगो लोगोनो NIA हानजाया बे गिख्रंथाव जाथायखौ गोख्रोङै नायबिजिरनो थाखाय जाथाय जानाय जायगासिम सौहैयो
There was an explosion in Zamra International Convention Center, Kalamasheri, in which one person died and 36 persons are undergoing treatment. All our senior officers, including the Commissioner of Police and others, are at the spot. They are investigating the matter. Preliminary investigation shows it is a IED device and we are examining it. Today morning at 9:40 a.m. approximately, there was an explosion in Zamra International Convention Center, Kalamasheri, in which one person died and 36 persons are undergoing treatment as per our information. In that convention center, Jehovah's Witness regional convention was happening and all our senior officers, including the Commissioner of Police and others, are at the spot. They are investigating the matter. Our additional DG Law and Order is already on the way. He will be reaching soon and myself will be reaching the incident place shortly and we are examining the all angles and we will find out who is behind this and we will take very stringent action. At the same time, I would request everyone to maintain peace, remain calm, and I also request that no provocative posts or hate posts should be posted on the social media. If anybody is doing such thing, we will take very stringent action against them also. Thank you. Preliminary investigation shows it is a IED device and we are examining it.
Is there any terror angle in that?
At this stage, I cannot tell anything. Only after investigation, I can confirm you the details. Thank you. So far, I don't have any information. Thank you. Nobody spoke to me from the MHA. I will be going there right now. Okay.
Special team is there?
We will be constituting a special team for this today itself. Today, after I reach the spot, we will constitute a special team.
Was there any intelligence information regarding this earlier prior to this?
No specific information.
बङाइगाव सापागुरि रोडआव थानाय मेगना हुन्डाई शोरूमा लानानै फैदों नोंथांमोननि सेराव फुजानि स्पेशल अफार ग्रेन्ड i10 नियस i20 N-Line अरा भेरना अल्काजार बेफोर समायना गारिफोर फुजानि स्पेशल अफारा फैगौ 30 सेप्तेम्बरसिम थागोन 50,000सिम गारि लानानै गारि अफार नोंथाङा मोनफुंनो हागोन अब्ला मानोथो गोबाव खालामनो थाबैनो नोंथाङा बङाइगाव सापागुरि रोड एबा लामा सेराव थानाय मेगना हुन्डाई शोरूमाव नोंथांनि फसायनाय गारिखौ लाहैदो गोबां मिथिनो थाखाय नैबे जानबुं नम्बर 9101093856 8011827497 70027967367 7002694811 आव खौरां लाहर मेगना हुन्डाइ श'रुम बङाइगाव साफागुरि रड